2 days ago, I gave you this long right here for 1% after we got shorts close, and now we're looking for the longs to get close so we can enter a nice short positions right here. As you can see, we're getting a good amount of shorts, 570 Bitcoin, but we do have 1,400 Bitcoin longs that we need to get close. So we will short as soon as longs are closed. This is the exact rules we're gonna follow, and we're gonna target the VWAP or the EMA. This video is no financial advice. I'm up to 162 grand on BloFin. That cannot be fake. 30 grand on this wallet. If you wanna follow my trades, use the links in the description below. There's also a course in the description. I made it super cheap so anyone can access it. And I'm switching to BloFin from Mexi. So if you want the user exclusive bonuses, 30 bucks bonus, and a 50% spot fee discount, check the links in the description down below. See you in tomorrow's video for Bitcoin.